So this is my Razor 800, and it's still on the trailer from the dunes because it started ticking, and I'm about to have to take it back to Oklahoma so the guy can fix it, the guy that built the motor. And so I gotta put a temp sensor in it, which this just basically tells it when to kick on the fan. So whenever it's unplugged, the fan's just always on, and then a brake pressure sensor because I had to bypass mine to start it. And to get to this, you gotta take out the passenger seat, and that's just right here. So I'm gonna break that loose, and then once it comes out, there's probably gonna be stuff that falls out, but it'll be okay. All right, I got it broke loose, so let's just take this out. Ooh, I was going the wrong way. Oh, a little bit of stuff. Let's do it. That thing is nasty. If it'll focus. Yeah, see. But got that one out. Got that one out. It looks like different thread patterns, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, kinda. Maybe that's just because these one's dirty, but alright. Let's get this put in there. I would put Teflon tape on it. Or not, never mind. That's just retarded. Screw it in there. Wrench. Okay. Should be tight, and then I'm gonna clean that, and then it'll plug right up in there. Because, you know, a little dirty because I didn't have it plugged in. And I have put a tank in here. I didn't get video on it, but I put a tank in here from a 900. And it kind of went in there. I had to cut a bracket that goes straight up and down right here because it like kind of sits underneath it. Besides that, it kind of went right in there. Besides literally just cutting that. Oh, and I had to cut the brackets for the coolant lines, and I had to move them over because they were like over here. And I had to move them over here. But besides that, it wasn't that bad. Just besides, you know, chopping the frame and that kind of stuff. And then brake pressure sensor, which is this. I should be able to just get with the pair of pliers. I'm gonna come over here to the driver's side. And these 50 cal harnesses, love them. They're amazing. Let me see. Where is the brake pressure sensor? Oh yeah. It's you can kind of see it. It's right there. So I gotta take that out, and then I gotta redo the brakes. But hopefully it won't be too bad. So yeah, let's get to that. But yeah, so that little sensor right there, I gotta replace that because like, so this right here plugs into that, and basically whenever you press the brake, it connects those together or whatever, and then when you press the brake, it pushes like something up, and then it makes these connected, and then it basically tells the motor that it can turn over, because I have to put this wire in here to bypass it so it'll crank over. Because if I have this out, it doesn't crank over. So can't start it unless I bypass it like that. Kind of janky, but it worked. So let me get that sensor out, get a new one in there, and then yeah. Okay, so now you just gotta unscrew this. Almost got it out. Way too much. Oh shit. Okay, now I gotta clean the area so you know dirt and stuff doesn't get up in there. Okay, I got it cleaned out. Now we're gonna put this new one in there. Sorry, I'm not the best at filming, but okay. Okay, there we go. I got it started. Sorry. Where'd I put my pliers? Oh, they're right here. Shilly me. I think I can still tighten up my fingers. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Nope, no more. Ooh. Boy, howdy. Okay, let me feel the brakes. I think they're good. Alright, now let me take that out. Alright, I gotta cut the zip tie and then put it on there and see if she'll... Oh my goodness. Alright, cut the zip tie, clean this out, and then plug it into there and see if it works. So yeah, let's do that real quick. Got me a knife. I cut it. And now I gotta go back to the shop because I forgot electrical cleaner. Gotta go back to the shop. Alright. Let's see if we have any electrical cleaner. Okay, right. Bam. Electrical cleaner. Now let's go back to the razor. Alright. Made it back to the razor. Now let's hop up here on the trailer. Now let me clean this. Well, the lid's like kind of bent. That should be good. Now we're going to put this guy up a little bit. And then we'll plug it in and see if it still starts. So I don't think it matters which way it gets plugged on there. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, hold on. Alright, I got it on there. I think it's in park. Hopefully my battery's not dead. It's in park. Brake. Oh yeah. Heard that healthy knock right there to start. That's why because it's getting worse, so that's why I'm taking it up to the guy that built the motor. I forgot, the guy that built it, his name was Jared, but I don't remember what the name of his company is, right? I'd give him a shout out, you know, but he rebuilt it for me, and now it's broke, which I don't know why, but I don't think it's really that bad. I think it might have like missed something, or like, I don't know, but it's okay. Because he should get a warranty on it. And yeah, so I gotta take it back up there. Because in March, the end of March, literally last week in March, actually, spring break for me. You know, I'm still in school, but we're going back to the sand dunes. And I want to get ready for the dunes. Because, you know, the dunes are fun, but yeah. And I got 2 new axles, just in case something breaks. Because one's ticking, or one's like knocking. But that's only if I like turn a certain way. So I think it's the one in the front. But yeah, that's how you change those on a Razor 800 2008 first gen. Because, you know, I don't know. This is what I got. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this style of video, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe. And tell me what you want to see next. So yeah, thank you.